Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I got a short one for you today. I just wanted to try some flint and steel with amethyst. You've seen me use flint, chert, and quartz. They're all 7 hardness on the Mohs scale, but the amethyst is also. And this came from one of those tourist traps up in Tennessee, you know, gem mine on the side of the road. So I've already tried it, and it might be a low quality 7 hardness because I can't really get many sparks off of it. Let me show you this amethyst up close. It's pretty unremarkable. Let's give it a try. I like to take my char cloth, tear it in half, which will expose a bunch of little threads, little fibers. Lay both halves up on top of one another, and then about a 1/16 of an inch behind the sharp edge on this gemstone. Let's see what happens. Let's see if my charred punkwood can do a better job at catching those very weak sparks. Good. We found a way. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.